Since the time we started, we are getting a lot of questions. So we thought that this was a good idea and opportunity to answer all those questions. Hi, this is Raj Shah.
Hi, this is Rishi Dedhia. We are from Invest in Pre-Leased. We help you profit from curated pre-lease proposals. Also to add, how are we making money on this? Okay, with regards to the fractional ownership proposals, here we would want to share that we don't charge our investors a single penny. We charge the asset managers and the asset managing companies our fees for selling their proposals. And again, here whatever reviews that we are doing, we are on all our independent reviews that we are doing. We are not backed by anyone. We are absolutely bootstrapped, and we are doing everything on our own.
So Rishi, if you're making money from the asset manager, are you still going to be influenced by the asset manager, or your rating is still unbiased?
No, absolutely unbiased. So you can probably see that in all our ratings, we ensure that we highlight whatever is there on the table. We don't miss out on any particular point. We don't get biased with any of the asset managers. We'll highlight what is good. We'll highlight what is bad. We'll highlight all the checkpoints, all the red flags to you so that you can take an informed decision. And like I said, no one is paying us. We are absolutely bootstrapped. We'll be taking care of all the expenses that is going behind doing these videos, as well as the time, efforts, energy going physically visiting the assets. Everything is done by us on our own, and this is purely out of our passion to ensure that we educate and empower our investors.
And obviously, we hope that that's going to translate into business for us, which it is, and we want to scale this up.
Yes, absolutely. Please like, share, comment on all our videos or this particular video. And if you have inputs, we are absolutely open to listening to you guys. Our numbers are flashing on the screen. You can call us, you can reach out to us through our channel or through our emails. We're always there to help you out. Thank you.